Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Small Cookies. My name is Paige.
And my name is Lauren. Today we are going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to make fresh whipping cream.
This is not frosting, but it is fresh cream to put inside of your Victoria sponge, chocolate sponge,
Or just eat it straight from the bowl. So it's very simple. Today we have got 200 millilitres of double cream and we have 75 grams of icing sugar. Make sure it is double cream and not single cream because you want it to have that thick consistency. We're going to go straight in with our cream.
because the cat's got the cream.
I'm going to pop that in the mixing bowl. We are going to start whipping that up for a couple of minutes on a high setting. Just keep an eye on this. There is no specific time how long you should be whipping your cream for. Now when that is just starting to form, you'll kind of notice it is starting to thicken up a little bit. We're going to go straight in with our icing sugar. We're just going to whack that straight in.
And return to speed until it is all mixed and you want it at stiff peaks.
So when it comes out standing upright on your whisk or your spoon, that's when you'll know it's done. Keep a sharp eye on it.
Or above your head.
That has been whipping for roughly 5
Yeah, 5 minutes.
5 minutes on a very high setting. So we're going to pop that up. We're going to give it just a little test. Would you say that's done?
I say that's
Let's
done.
give it a taste test then.
Right, are you ready? Yeah.
That's nice,
Lovely.
that one, isn't it?
Oh.